Hi everyone, it's Mark Morrow from Prime Campers here in Queensland. Now you've probably seen us do some videos recently, and the more recent ones we've done setting up the van for your camping trip with the roof going up and the awning going out on the GT series. So to extend from that on the GT series, what we wanted to do is put up the anti-flat bars, because in this package we do an anti-flat bars and full privacy screens on here, so you have a little protection from the sun and the weather as well. Now, these particular anti-flat bars will work on the GT series, and if you did want them specially for the MT series, we can do them for that too, but the anti-flat bars will not work with the Annex that is provided with that particular one. We're coming up with another solution for that. But today with the GT series, what I've got for you here is the anti-flat bars. Okay, so you get 4 of them, or 4 halves, 1, 2, and I've already set the other one up on the other end there already. Now, the way that the anti-flat bars look is you've got a hook on one end, and that's the bit that goes up here on the caravan, and you've got a little cylinder on the other end, and that bit goes over a bolt that's on this end. Now, the actual anti-flat bar itself has these levers that make it open and close and clamp down onto your vinyl awning. So we have them all prepared up for you. They're specially made by Aussie Traveller for us. Okay, and we put them together just through the middle, like that. We don't do this middle section up yet though, all right? And we leave it completely open. So make sure that you've got all those levers open. And then what we do, we take the end with the hook, and there's a little slot just here. Put it right through the middle, and it will just lay in there. And then lift gently on the outside of this post, go up that little cylinder, go over and onto the little bolt that is there. And when it's on the bolt, push it out and it will hold it up there. Now you'll see here we've got a bit of a gap, all right, and you're probably thinking, well, the actual awning is a little bit loose itself too. It's the same on this end as it is on that end. So what we do from here is we go over to our awning toggle, and we just toggle it in gently. We just do some slight little touches like that so that it brings the awning in, and it will close this and tighten this for us. Let me show you. So we just toggle gently, and you can see it's starting to come in just till it gets a little bit closer, and then we're on. And then all we do is just clamp down these to hold firm onto the awning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and it creates a watertight seal along here and sail track along here. Now I've already done the other end, and I'll clamp that one up in a minute. So what we actually have is a completely usable anti-flat bar on this end, so that you can hang whatever you want here using a sail track. And in this case, what we provide you with is 2 Aussie Traveller end walls. All right, and these are really good quality ones. I've done a bit of research. I've been camping in a caravan for about 10 years, and some of them are not so great material, and this is really good quality material. So you get 2 of those, one for this end and one for that end. And then you also get a side wall, same material, which goes along the side. So let's set this one up so I can show you how easy it is. Here's one that I prepared a little bit earlier. All right. So with this particular sidewall, you'll see that it's a little bit lower on one end than it is on the other. All right, and because this slopes downwards, we've got to have that high end up that end. So it just slides straight into the sail track here, and we just pull it through. Super, super, super simple, guys. Keep pulling it through. And you can see I'm doing it myself here. I don't even need a second person. Okay, all the way through. And we want it as close to the van as we can as possible. So just duck it under there and pull it up close to the van. And you can see here that you've got a sidewall. And then what you can do is, if you've got some bungee cords, you can actually just pig it out on some bungee cords so that it pulls nice and firm for you. All right, super easy. And watertight seal there as well, but this will allow the breeze to go through, stop the sun getting through, and those light showers. So it protects your fridge here. All right, Let's go and do the other sidewall for you so I can show you that one. Okay, so we've just finished doing the front privacy wall on our GT15 here. Now you can also see, if you pan just to my left here, I've already set up the rear privacy screen for you. So what I've done is I've set this whole area up as a basic setup of what you would do camping in Australia. We don't want to close off the area too much, but what I've done is I've put the privacy screen up on this end and we put it out on the angle with some bungee cords, and I've done the same on the other side out on some bungee cords. So we can get protection for our kitchen, and as you can see here, I've set up the kitchen for you already. So you get a little bit of protection, and I also get protection on this end where we've got our fridge and our storage. So when it's raining, the light rain will run down there. It will also block the sun. It'll block that, allow the breeze to come through, but block real windy days. There's also another privacy screen that goes along the front here. We've got 2 sail tracks. Okay, it's one long privacy screen that comes in the package as well. I haven't set that up for you on this one because I wanted to keep it a little bit open, and I feel like people, when they go camping in Queensland and South Australia, around Australia, they love it being really social. All right, so this is the kind of setup you could have with your GT Series van. So why don't you come and see us either in Adelaide or Brisbane, give us a call, and we can talk about the setup that we have with our GT Series vans and get you set up like this and get you camping. Thank you.